Hey everyone, in this workout we're going to be muscle memorizing our first 7th chord, F major 7. All you gotta do is play along with this video a few times and you'll be able to play this chord like it's a reflex. You might have noticed that we never learned an F major or a B major in level 1. That's because there aren't any open versions of those chords, they're both bar chords. Here's F, here's B. F major 7 is an F major triad with a major 7th on top. So it's like playing an F major with a fancy hat on. In many cases, if you were learning a song on guitar and you saw an F, you could replace it with an F major 7 and it will still work. It won't sound as strong, but it will still sound fine. So here's how you play an F major 7. Take your first finger, put it on the 2nd string, 1st fret, then you're gonna build a staircase up from that. So take your 2nd finger, put it in the 2nd fret on the 3rd string, then your 3rd finger, put it in the 3rd fret on the 4th string. Then you're only gonna strum the bottom 4 strings. Due to the staircase shape of this chord, it's going to be super important to use the very tips of your fingers so you get tall finger tunnels and don't accidentally block 3 of the 4 strings in this chord. Here's what it sounds like if you're accidentally blocking strings. Ugh. Here's what it sounds like if you got tall finger tunnels. Oh, much nicer. Also, don't get sloppy about those strings. We only want the bottom 4, otherwise this nice, dreamy, pretty sounding chord sounds like this. Alright, now let's move on to the exercise. If you feel like you need more explanation about what's going on, be sure to check out the demonstration video I did. I put the link in the description. We're going to start at 60 beats per minute, strumming on count 1, then kicking out and coming back on counts 2, 3, and 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Here's 100. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Here's 110. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1. Last time strumming once. Here's 120. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Alright, now we're going to go back to 60 beats per minute, but we're going to strum on counts 1 and 2, then kick out and come back on 3 and 4. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 70 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 80 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Just a few more. Here's 90 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 100 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 110 beats per minute. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, last one. Here's 120. Ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Great job making it this far. If you haven't gotten here yet, then just don't give up. You'll get here sooner than you think. Now that you've got that down, you can try out some different strum patterns while you switch between F major 7 and C. It's a really easy chord change, and it just sounds so dreamy. See if you can mix and match a bunch of the strum patterns you learned in level 1. You might come up with something cool. Well, that's going to be it for this workout. Make sure to post in the comments how many days it took you to get to the end, because I'm a nerd and I want the data. Or if you have any questions or suggestions for the channel, you can drop them in there too. Also, don't push this button. Don't do it. Don't. I dare you. I dare you not to hit the button. I double dog dare you. Don't hit that button. Don't.